How to fix my devices replacing each other issue in Bitdefender Central. Situations in which devices are replacing each other in Bitdefender Central, i.e. they are not displayed simultaneously, appear when two or more systems share the same MAC address. This is only a glitch in displays them, with no impact on the security of the devices. Currently, if two or more computers share the same MAC address on any network, physical or virtual, Bitdefender Central identifies them as the same device and shows only one at a time in my devices. This is common with virtualization software, e.g. VMware, VirtualBox, Parallels, Bootcamp, etc., and VPN software, as they generate the same MAC address on all the devices. However, it is not restricted to these types of software. To find out if this is the case, follow these steps below. On Windows devices, 1. Open Command Prompt, click the Start menu, type CMD, and then press the Enter key. 2. Type IP protocol configuration /all in the black command prompt window that appears and then hit Enter. 3. Compare the number that appears next to physical address for each network in the list, on both computers. On Mac OS devices, 1. Click the Finder icon in your dock. 2. Select Go. 3. Click on Utilities. 4. Double-click Terminal. 5. Type ifconfig in the terminal and then press the Return/Enter key. 6. Compare the number that appears next to either for each network in the list, on both machines. As a workaround, you can uninstall the program that generated the identical MAC address and reinstall it after reinstalling Bitdefender on one of the systems. Note, if you do not wish to uninstall your virtual adapter/VPN, you can try the following workaround. 1. Open Bitdefender and go to the account window. 2. Click on Switch Account, then log into Bitdefender Central with the same account. 3. Remove the device from the My Devices window. 4. Now, return to your desktop. For Windows, go to Network Connections. Right-click each of the virtual adapters, VMware, VirtualBox, etc., and disable them. This will remove the duplicate MAC address entries from your system. To confirm the action, you can open a command prompt, open the Start menu, type CMD, and click Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type IP protocol configuration /all and check if the problematic MAC is still listed. For Mac OS, click the Apple icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and select System Preferences. Click the network icon to open the Network Preferences pane. Click Ethernet on the left side of the window. You will have to disable the virtual adapter/VPN. Click the gear shape button next to the minus sign in the lower left corner of the window, then click Make Service Inactive. Click the Apply button to disable the NIC. 5. Open Bitdefender and go to the account window. 6. Log in again with the Central credentials. Both devices will populate Central at the same time.